Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to create a budget that works for you without stress. So let's get into it. Shift your mindset. A budget isn't a prison, it's a plan. Think of it like Google Maps for your money. It's not there to limit you. It's there to help you get where you want to go financially. So reframe the word budget in your mind. It's your financial GPS. Know your real income. Start with what's coming in. Take a look at your actual income, salary, side gigs, passive income. Don't guess. Look at the last 2 or 3 months to get a clear average. This is your starting point. Track your spending. For at least 1 month, write down everything you spend. No judgment. This is just about awareness. You'll start to see patterns, opportunities. You might be surprised where your money is going. Set clear and realistic goals. Why are you budgeting? A trip, paying off debt, building a savings cushion. Give your goals names, amounts and deadlines. This keeps you motivated. It's like having a financial vision board. Use a simple system. There are tons of budgeting methods out there. One easy method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt. Adjust these numbers based on your situation. Make it your rule. Automate everything you can. Set up automatic transfers for savings, bill payments, and investments. Let the system do the work so you don't have to think about it every week. This is like having a personal finance assistant. Number 7. Review and adjust monthly. Life changes. So should your budget. Spend 30 minutes at the end of each month to review, reflect, and reset. Small tweaks make a big difference over time. It's your monthly money check-in. Leave room for life. Don't forget to include some fun money. A budget with zero flexibility is like a diet with zero chocolate. It's gonna break. Build in room for real life. So there you have it. 8 simple steps to creating a budget that works for you without the stress. Remember, it's not about restriction, it's about empowerment. When you build a budget around your life, instead of trying to force yourself into someone else's system, that's when it finally works. So start small, be kind to yourself, and let your budget become your financial superpower. What's your money goal right now? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real-life money tips, and let me know in the comments.